Today we are making a Stormtrooper.
Stop that ship! Blast them!
Here's what you'll need. A sharp knife, scissors, white glue, a ruler, and something to score the paper with. Print your template on thick paper to prevent your model from being weak, like you. Start by cutting the template along the lines. Use a ruler if you need to. This may take a while. You can listen to your favorite music to pass the time. Congratulate yourself for not getting cut. Great work. Use a needle or a dull knife to score the pieces along the marked lines. You can score the pieces before you cut them if you'd like. I didn't. Whatever. Scoring the pieces will help you fold the flaps more easily later on. Scoring is good for us. Start folding all the flaps to prepare yourself mentally for gluing. Fold tiny flaps against your ruler for more accurate folds. Use a toothpick to apply a small amount of glue to the tabs. Apply pressure to the glued parts to get them to stick. Glue the smaller pieces together before attaching them to the body. Don't screw this up. You can do it. That piece in particular. We're almost there. Glue all the pieces together. The letters should tell you which piece needs to go where. But you don't need help, you are an adult. Attach the hands, the gun, and the back armor. Finally, attach the head. You are done. Enjoy your new Stormtrooper.